so glad you're here. Whether you've had a full day, a full heart, or a full mind, you are welcome here, exactly as you are. This is your space. This is your time. In a few moments, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to reach into the universe and choose. But first, let's arrive. Begin by finding your position. Lying down is ideal on your back. Arms are a little away from your body. Palms facing up. If you're seated, let your spine be long. Your hands resting open on your thighs. If you haven't already done so, go ahead and close your eyes. Take one long, slow breath in through the nose and a deep, relaxing exhale through the mouth. Let it all go. Again, breathe in and out, softening. One more time, in and out. There you are. Now I'm going to guide your awareness through your body. As I name each part, simply notice it. You don't need to change anything. Just arrive here. Now, bring your awareness to the top of your head. Feel the weight of your skull softening, your scalp releasing, your forehead smooth, relaxed, no tension here. Your eyes soft and still with heavy lids. Your jaw, let it drop just a little. Let the teeth part. Let the tongue rest. Your neck and throat releasing, softening. Your shoulders, let them fall. Let them melt down toward the earth. Your arms, heavy, warm, still. Your hands, each finger loose, open, receiving. Your chest rising gently with each breath and falling with ease. Your belly soft, expanding on the inhale, releasing on the exhale. Your lower back melting into whatever is beneath you. Your hips heavy, grounded, at rest. Your thighs, your knees, your calves, letting go. Your feet sinking down, each toe relaxed. You are here, fully here. Your body is held. You can rest. Now, I invite you to imagine something. The room you are in begins to fall away. The ceiling dissolves. The walls dissolve. And above you, all around you, is the most breathtaking night sky you have ever seen. Millions of stars, galaxies, swirling colors of deep indigo, violet, gold. You are floating gently in this cosmic space, weightless, safe, held by the universe itself. And now, something begins to appear in front of you, like a softly glowing screen of light. You see a display, not hard or harsh like a phone screen. No, this is made of pure starlight, soft, luminous, alive. It is a menu, the universe's menu, and it contains everything that exists and everything that is possible. Experience is waiting for you. Versions of yourself waiting to emerge. Abundance in all forms. Clarity, purpose, possibilities. And you begin to scroll. Slowly, effortlessly. One gentle movement and the stars shift, and new possibilities drift before your eyes. You see things that light you up. You see futures that feel like home. You see qualities you have always wanted to embody. You see a life that feels fully, deeply yours. Now let something come forward. Something in the realm of abundance. Maybe it's financial freedom, a creative breakthrough, or a full and thriving business. Overflow in your home, in your relationships, in your energy. Whatever it is, let it rise up in front of you, glowing and clear. Look at it. Feel it. What does it feel like to be in your body when you see it? Maybe a warmth in your chest, a lightness in your limbs, a deep sense of yes. That feeling, that is the signal. That is your soul saying, "This belongs to me." Reach out your hand, and in this cosmic space, you simply tap it. You select it. You click it into being. Watch it pulse with golden light. Watch it move from out there in the universe to right here, into your energy, into your field, into your cells. This is not wishful thinking. This is alignment. You are not asking. You are claiming what was always meant for you. Say it silently to yourself now. This is mine. I call this in. It is already on its way. Again, say to yourself silently, this is mine. I call this in. It is already on its way. Now scroll again, gently. This time, let something in the realm of purpose and clarity come forward. Maybe it's the direction you've been searching for, a decision that's been waiting for your full commitment, a calling that keeps whispering your name. Or perhaps it's simpler, a sense of knowing, of waking up each morning and feeling aligned with who you truly are and what you are truly here to do. Let it appear before you. Don't overthink it. Don't question it. The universe doesn't make mistakes with these signals. You see it glowing, and this one has a feeling of recognition, like you've known it all along, like some part of you has always been moving this towards you. Reach out and select it. Watch it shimmer with clear, bright white light as it moves towards you. Feel it settle into your mind, your third eye, your knowing center. Breathe and receive. Say silently, I am clear. I am purposeful. My path is revealing itself to me now. I am clear. I am purposeful. My path is revealing itself to me now. You may have chosen one thing. You may have chosen many. Now, imagine all that you have selected gathering together into a glowing sphere of light, right at the center of your chest, your heart space. Every intention, every abundance, every clarity, every purpose, every version of you that is ready to emerge. It pulses warmly with every breath. This sphere, this light travels with you. You don't need to hold on to it tightly. It is woven into you now. It is yours. All that remains is for you to move through your life knowing that what you have claimed is already in motion. The universe received your selections, and now the universe is arranging circumstances, people, moments, doors, all aligning in your favor. Your only job is to stay open, to say yes, to trust. Begin to feel the ground beneath you again, the weight of your body, the warmth of the space around you. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take a slow, deep breath in and a long breath out. Begin to deepen your breathing, coming back gently. No rush. And when you're ready, allow your eyes to flutter open. Take a moment before you move. Just take a moment to sit with what you've received. You are not the same person who lay down. Something has shifted. Something has been claimed. Thank you for sharing this space with me. Thank you for showing up for yourself today. If this practice resonates with you, please like and subscribe and share it with someone who needs a reminder that the universe is always conspiring in their favor. Until next time, go gently and go powerfully. Namaste.